Human nervous system MCQs. MCQs number 1. The human nervous system is capable of wide range of function. What is the basic unit of nervous system? Correct option is neuron. Neuron is a basic unit of a nervous system. Option C is correct. MCQs number 2. The neuron cell is made of which of the following parts? Axons, dendrites, nucleus. Option 4 is correct. All of above. MCQs number 3. Neurons come in which different type? Sensory and motor. Option D is correct. A and B. MCQs number 4. How do neurons communicate with one another? Electrically as well as chemically. Option D is correct. MCQs number 5. What is common neurotransmitter? All of above. Acetylcholine, GABA, serotonin. All of above is correct. MCQs number 6. Acetylcholine is a neurotransmitter that provide for communicate between muscles and nerves. When there is problem with interaction between acetylcholine and the acetylcholine receptor sites on the muscles, which condition can occur? Option A is correct. Myasthenia gravis. MCQs number 7. Dopamine is important neurotransmitter. Which disease or disorder result when neurons in brain that produce dopamine die? Parkinson disease. Option C is correct. Parkinson disease. MCQ number 8. Certain metabolic disease can affect the nervous system. For example, people with diabetes can develop a nervous system problem called diabetic neuropathy. What are symptoms of diabetic neuropathy? Constipation and diarrhea, rapid heartbeat, pain in feet. All of above are correct. Option B is correct. MCQs number 9. Cerebral palsy affect neurons in which part of the body? Brain. Option A is correct. Brain. MCQs number 10. Which of the following is a genetic disease that cause neurons in the brain to waste away and die? Huntington disease. Option 4 is correct. Huntington disease. MCQs number 11. The human nervous system comprises the central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Option A is correct. MCQs number 12. The autonomic nervous system regulate the internal environment. Option C is correct. MCQs number 13. Three main anatomical neuron planes are sagittal, coronal and horizontal. Option D is correct. MCQs number 14. Corpus callosum is neural pathway that connect the right and left hemisphere. Option B is correct. MCQs number 15. In the fourth week after conception, the neural tube develop three swelling. These are forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Option D is correct. MCQs number 16. The nose of rat is anterior. Option B is correct. Anterior. MCQs number 17. The autonomic nervous system is a part of peripheral nervous system. B is correct. MCQs number 18. Which structure is a part of tectum? Superior collicus. Option A is correct. MCQs number 19. In general, afferent nerves carry sensory information to nervous system, to central nervous system. A is correct. MCQs number 20. The basal ganglia comprise the chordata, putamen and globulus pallidus. Option A is correct. MCQs number 21. Cerebral cortex covers the cerebral hemisphere. Option D is correct. MCQs number 22. Telencephalon refer to cerebral hemisphere. Option D is correct. MCQs number 23. Somatic nervous system is a part of peripheral nervous system. B is correct. Peripheral nervous system. Inferior and superior colliculi compose the tectum. Option C is correct. Tectum. MCQs number 25. Most sensory nuclei of the thalamus project to cortex. Option A is correct. Cortex. 26. Which of the following is not function of cerebrospinal fluid? To improve conduction of nerve signal between different brain region. B is correct. MCQs number 27. Which of the following generally act to conserve energy? Parasympathetic nervous system. Option D is correct. MCQs number 28. Broca's area is located in the frontal lobe. Option A is correct. Frontal lobe. MCQs number 29. The primary auditory cortex is located in the temporal lobe. Option C is correct. Temporal lobe. MCQs number 30. Which of the following is a method of measuring neuroanatomy? Magnetic resonance imaging, MRI. Option C is correct. MRI. MCQs number 31. Nervous system consists of brain, spinal cord and nerves. All of the above is correct. MCQs number 32. Which of the following statement is correct about cerebellum? A and B. It regulates the muscular movement for locomotion. It is a part of brain. Both A and B option are correct. MCQs number 33. Which nerves are attached to brain and emerge from the skull? Cranial nerves. Option A is correct. Cranial nerves. MCQs number 34. Name the system that control every activity that you need. Nervous system. Option A is correct. Nervous system. MCQs number 35. What is the unit of nervous system? Is neuron. Option C is correct. Neuron. MCQs number 36. A macroscopic gap between pair of adjacent neurons over which nerve impulses pass when going from one neuron to next is synapse. Option B is correct. Synapse. MCQs number 37. In our body, involuntary actions are controlled by medulla in brain. Option A is correct. Medulla in brain. Those reflex actions which involve in brain are called cerebral reflexes. MCQs number 39. Pons, cerebrum and medulla are parts of which brain? Hindbrain. Option C is correct. Hindbrain. MCQs number 40. Spinal cord originate from which part of the body? Medulla oblongata.